Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to configure inSis DCN app.
First of all, we have inSis DCN application. Extract the file and then you will find application setup. Double click on this setup file. It will prepare to install. Once it completes installation, it will ask for next and then to accept the agreement. Accept the agreement, click on next and then click on install. Application will be installed on master server and then a pop-up will be there where login credentials will be available.
Open inSis DCN config app and enter the credentials to log in into the app. The default username and password is admin and Jajutech. After logging in the left side, click on settings option. In general settings, assign unique data collector identifier name. In the master host name, you have to enter a destination server name. In the right side, we have drill down option as remote and local. Based on deployment mode of server, we can choose whether it is remote and local. For cloud deployment, select remote, and for on-premises deployment, select local. Enter data publish interval in milliseconds. By default, it is 60 seconds. Whenever we are writing back from inSys server to data source, we keep PCS write as on. Select the correct schema and save the settings. Restart inSys DSI service in DCN machine and wait for approximately 30 seconds. Check in the DCN config home. It will show status as running and master status as active, which means data is getting published.
After creating inSys DCN configuration, we have to come to System Explorer in a server, open any data sources in any gateway. You can create a new gateway using any PLC or DCN, any PLC or DCS. Give name, description, make model, and then give IP address, port number. Here at below, we have to enable is enable for the gateway. During gateway mode, we have to select as remote and then give gateway type as data collector. After giving data collector, you can select devices which are configured, or else you can directly give remote gateway identifier name which you have provided in inSys DCN configuration name. You can give as DCN1 and save it. Once you save this gateway, all the tags in this gateway will be fetching data from this particular remote DCN. How to add devices? To add devices, double click on devices, add on new. You can add here name DCN1, name, description, make and model you can give. You have to enable it, then you can see the DCN type, device type. It can be insist DCN external or customs. Then device mode and identifier and API key. And to enable remote management of that particular DCN, you can enable this and save it. Once you save this device, you can add that device into the gateway which you have created. You can select here from a drill down, so device 1 it will come automatically. Once these two settings are done, data will be start coming from any DCN or remote gateway into inSys.
Hence, you have set up DCN app. Thank you.